Good morning everyone. It is Sunday, bank holiday Sunday, and I'm with Tim. We just woke up and we're having some delicious breakfast. Tim's in his boxers, so let me try and show you this nicely. Tim is having a half veggie fry up. I'm having fruit and yogurt as I have every morning. Our plan for this morning was to wake up early and go to the gym, but yesterday Tim and I ran our first 5k together. We did. Tim did it without even trying, which was really annoying. I beat my time and I didn't walk at all. I ran the whole way for the first time and I beat my time by like 50 seconds. So I was very pleased with that. So today we were like, let's have a very lazy morning, because today we're going to go up to London. We're going to go to Carnaby Street, go get some lunch, and I just thought I'd vlog because it's such a nice day and it's not often that we have Tim. So I thought, while we've got him, let's make the most of it.
Aren't you lucky? Getting to see your boyfriend.
Yeah. What a luxury. That is the plan, Stan. Oh, my fake tan on my neck is looking crunchy as hell. Sorry about that. But yeah, my last vlog went down really well, so I thought I'll do another one. But anyway, we're gonna eat our breakfast and watch the Mitchellax. Shout out to the Mitchellax. I'm just halfway through doing my makeup, but I just got a delivery. Can we talk about these boots for a second? Tim, what do you think of the boots?
I honestly don't know. Good and like great.
The inside's just as cool as the outside.
Oh, can't see it.
You can't really tell. I think they're really sick, but I'll sleep on it. They're from a brand called Buffalo and I kind of think they're awesome. We'll see. I thought I'd do an outfit of the day because I never do these. Ignore the mess. Oh, that's not been tucked in very well. I'll do that again in a second. Jeans are from ASOS. Top is also from ASOS. It's just like a sheer mesh. Necklace is, they're both Regal Rose, usual rings. And then I'm just gonna wear some trainers. We're going simple and comfy today.
I've got the time to show my love what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns.
We have made it up to London. We're on Oxford Street. We're in Topman because he needs a belt. I look bright orange in this lighting. Here's the full look, by the way. Here's my full look. We need to find him a belt and then we can go take this picture. Publicly putting a belt on.
Yeah. This is fashion.
In about a week or two, I'm coming to Carnaby Street for World Oceans Day to basically promote saving the oceans. So I'm just going now to get a shot for the first half of the campaign as like a promo for the event. So me and Tim need to go and get a good picture of me on Carnaby Street, but it's kind of rainy and also really busy because it's bank holiday Sunday. I kind of want to go into Liberty as well. Nice?
Sure.
Tim's just coming along for the ride as per. Let's get this picture.
It's all a blur. It's hard to remember what you forgot. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up.
I'm popping Tim's Joe and the Juice cherry. We're gonna get some lunch because he's getting hangry.
I got so much more. Don't give me alone. I got so much more to give. Don't leave me alone. So much more to give you. Don't leave me alone. I got so much more.
We're still in Joe and the Juice. We've been here for like an hour or so. I just nearly spilled tea everywhere. We've been here for an hour or so, and right now I'm trying to log into, sorry about the music by the way, you probably can't hear me, and now the blender, great. Next week I'm doing a diving course because when I go travelling I want to be able to have a paddy license so I can go diving, and were trying to log me in and it's not working, and I'm very nervous and stressed about it because I've got to sit like an exam, and I've not done an exam since I was like 18, 19. Being a little bit stressed, and it says it's 12 hours worth of work and it's on Wednesday and it's Sunday right now, so I have to do 6 hours of work for the next 2 days to get ready for this exam. Luckily I got the picture for the Carnaby shoot done really quickly, so we can now just sit and have fun laptop club. Tim's trying to figure out why it won't sign in. We're gonna sit together and try and figure out and try and learn as much about diving as I can in a short space of time.
Whoa. Looking lit.
I need a change. I need for something to happen to me without a warning. Walking the same steps every morning. I see all the same faces, but I don't even know them. I wanna change now, following the same train.
Good morning everyone, we're in an old classic. Haven't worn this sweatshirt in a while. I am so pale, I need a fake tan now. Or a real tan, but probably more likely a fake tan. Tim went back to uni last night. I didn't end the vlog. But yeah, Tim left, sad. But I'm going to see him on Wednesday night because Thursday is sadly my papa's funeral. I don't know whether I've said this yet, but my dad's dad passed away a couple of weeks ago, and I'm very sad. Basically, I'm very sad. I was very close with him. So yeah, Wednesday is the funeral, so obviously Tim's coming to that. He's coming home in like 2 days. But right now I'm about to pop to the post office and go get a parcel for a job I need to do today, and then I'm gonna spend the rest of my day learning stuff for this diving thing on Wednesday. You guys, I'm really anxious about it. Like, I don't often get anxious, but when I do, it's about things like this. I'm scared. I'm going on my own. I think I'm the only person diving that day, so it's gonna be literally me and the trainer, or me and the instructor or whatever. Learn a whole new skill. I have to sit a test, and I have 2 days or a day and a half now to do 12 hours of work in prep for the test, and basically I've just left everything to the last minute because I had to book this thing really last minute, and I'm just really stressed about it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna shoot a quick Instagram post for a job, and then I'm gonna do that all day. Same thing tomorrow. I've got a PT session tonight at 7, so I'm looking forward to that because it's been a few days since I've been to the gym. I probably won't vlog today, but I will vlog maybe the end of the week, or maybe I might just upload this. I'll import the footage, see how long this is. If I've got enough for a vlog, I'll just upload this as it is. But if I don't, then I'll vlog the next few days. So if this is the end of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if it's not the end of the vlog, then do both of those things anyway. And I'll see you in the next clip. Morning everyone, it is early on Wednesday morning, and I'm leaving my house to go and do my diving test today. So I get like yesterday I did my exam. It was like 12 hours worth of work. I did it in 2 days and I sat the exam and I passed. And then today I've got another exam, and then I actually do the practical skill day, and it's a full day, 9:30 till 6, and I've got a PT session at 8, so it's going to be a very long day, but I'll let you know how it goes. I'm very nervous, but I'm sure it'll be okay. And my bikini is rainbow, so it's got to be a good day, right? I did it. My hair's green, but I did it. And I'm doing my qualifying dives on Saturday and Sunday, so by Sunday night I'm gonna have my PADI license, and I'm really excited. But I'm excited. exhausted. I'm gonna eat some salmon and go to bed. Bye.